Sometimes you find something online or on Amazon that's just so crazy, it bends your curiosity and you just got to check it out. This is a meat shredder. I got it during Black Friday deals or some sort of Amazon deals, and it sat on the shelf for a while until we really needed it, and that's when we needed to shred a whole bunch of chicken in this case. I was so shocked at how well this works that I just had to show it to you. So here we go. This is unsponsored. You take the chicken breast, you put it in the machine. So now we'll go to a top-down shot and get into all the details. These two little handles. On the bottom here, you have some friction pads so that it doesn't go anywhere. It's kind of fun, actually. The center, you might have to shift the meat a little bit because most of the action is on the sides. And once you're happy with the shred, you just turn it upside down, tap it a couple times, most of it will come out, and if it doesn't, just use your fork, clean it out. And if for some reason you got a couple pieces that you want a little more shredding on, you just put them back in. That's a kind of a big piece. Put the top down and just continue the action until the shred is right where you want it. Take another chicken breast, put the top down. If it's a big, thick breast like that, you might have to push the center a little bit to get it started, and then you're off to the races. You want to get kids in the kitchen, family members, you're just doing a family meal. You just give them this task to shred the meat. It's fun, it's quick, and it does the job. This is unsponsored, but when I find things that work really well, just want to share them with you. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of kitchen helpers, recipes, home repairs, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what interesting devices you're gonna see.